All right. This is Robbie and Mackenzie. I don't know why I always say your name first. I guess because you're on camera. This is Mackenzie and Robbie. And we are in the janitor's area, Poasttown Elementary. We're going to do a dowsing rod session and see if we can communicate with the janitor who supposedly was a drunk and was drunk while he was working a lot. Alright, so my friend Robbie over here is holding some dowsing rods.
Hey, what's up?
They will help you communicate with us. Can you try to cross the rods to show us the answer yes? Okay.
Do they cross?
Yeah. Can you uncross the rods and push them away from each other to show us the answer no? Keep pushing them away. Point them the opposite of each other. Ooh, there's an orb that just came from you over here.
That's cool.
Okay, keep pushing them. Yep, there you go.
Are they moving?
They're moving. Okay. So can we use these rods to communicate with you? Can you cross them for yes? Okay.
I heard them.
Can you uncross them for me, please? So we can ask more questions? How does this always work?
I don't know, but I feel like they're pulling to the right.
Yeah, they definitely are, kind of. Pointing kind of towards me.
Yeah. That's weird.
Are we speaking with the janitor of the school? Can you cross the rods for yes or push them away for no? Okay.
That's weird.
Take a yes. Okay, can you push the rods away? Thank you. Alright. I forget your name, so I'm going to go through the alphabet and just name some random letters. Can you cross the rods when I hit your letter for your name? Okay, thank you. Can you push the rods away? Thank you. Okay. Does your name start with the letter C? No. Okay. Does your name start with the letter B, as in boy? Okay. I'm going to ask another question out of sync here. Are you grabbing my neck? Okay.
Oh my gosh, cold chills.
Okay. There's something grabbing the right side of my neck. And yeah.
I don't know why, but I feel like these are not pointing. Like, are they pulling to the right still?
They are.
That is so weird.
Are you standing next to Robbie? Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god, cold chill.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Right there.
Look at this.
This is very cool. That was my chair making a noise. Alright, can you push them straight forward for me, please?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, push them straight. Alright, let's go back to figuring out what your name is here. Does your name start with an A? Can't tell if they're rods.
Are they crossing?
No, they're not crossing. Okay. Does your name start with a D? E. F. G. H. I. J. K L. You know what's crazy?
What?
The name just hit me.
What's his name?
You're not gonna believe this. Lewis.
Are you kidding?
No, it just hit me. Are you Lewis? Can you cross the rods for yes? No joke. It just hit me. I didn't even know until I asked the letter L. That is insane.
Oh.
Thank you. Holy crap.
I am so chilled right
My hands are freezing. Okay. Lewis, we've done this with a couple other people we've talked to. Can you make a noise in here to let us know you're in here? That was right above my head.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Lewis, can you push the rods forward, please? Can you push the other rod forward for me? Thank you. Lewis, is it true that you were drinking on the job? Yes. Okay, can you push them forward for me? Were there any accidents because of your drinking on the job here? Yes. Can you push them away? Were there any children harmed because of you? Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting cold chills. Like, oh, what's going on?
Okay. Lewis, can you point them forward for me, please? Can you point to where you're standing or where you are? Point both rods where you are. Kind of like in between us. But yeah, it's very cold in here. Lewis, you can use our energy to answer these questions. We really appreciate you talking to us.
Yeah, if you want to, there's a box on the floor over here to my left. It takes a little less effort if you want to use that.
Have you seen one of these boxes before? We are the Grimm guys. We have the only Grimm pod. Good answer. All right, Lewis. Is there anything evil in the doll room upstairs? Yes. Okay, can you push them away? Is there something evil attached to one of the dolls that are chained to the chair upstairs? Yes. Okay. Was the evil entity that is attached to those dolls brought here by someone? Yes. Okay, can you push those rods away? Did you enjoy working here? Yes. Did you ever live here? Yes.
Did he live here?
I don't know. I'm trying to get a no answer.
Oh.
Was your car blue? Nope.
We're going to find out if it's true.
Okay, can you push them forward for me, please? It would be really cool if you could use your energy to tap on this box right here on the floor. Just walk up to it. You can do it. It won't hurt you. It'll just validate that we're talking to you, Lewis.
Lewis, are you still here with us?
Looks like a yes. Okay. Can you push them forward for me? All right. Are there more spirits here other than yourself? Yes. Okay. Are there more than you in this room with us right now? No, it's just us. Are you grabbing my neck again? I don't know how that's working, but I've got a crazy sharp pain in my neck.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Do you like when people come and talk to you? No. Then why are you talking to us? Do you enjoy talking to us? No. But the camera just tried to autofocus on something.
You're kidding me. Where at?
Like you didn't move on top of it was like your chest.
Holy crap.
Because it's focusing on your face right now, but it did your whole entire body and you didn't move. Like it's focusing on your face right now, but... Will you continue to answer some questions, Lewis, if we ask them? Yes. Okay, can you push them forward for me, please? Was there a major train wreck here? Yes. Okay, can you push them back? Are there any people or spirits here from that train wreck? Yes. Can you push them straight again? Were there any children killed on this train wreck that are here? Yes.
I have to validate all this.
Mm-hmm. Can you push them forward for me?
Something's going on in that hallway back there.
Right. Is there a spirit in that hallway making that thing go off? Says yes. All right. Can you push it forward? Is it one of the visitors today, one of us, making that go off? No. Can you give us a name of someone else who is here that we can validate?
How are we going to do that?
Didn't know. I don't know. I was going to see if there was some sort of article or something. All right, Lewis. Can you try one more thing for me? Can you cross them for yes? Okay. All right. I know you made a knocking noise earlier. Can you make 2 knocks so that we know it's you? Come on, Lewis. Knock twice for us. No. All right. All right, I got something crazy. All right, so you can't see me, right? You can't see my hand?
Me?
Yep.
Yeah, I can totally see your hand.
You can totally see my hand? Oh, that sucks. All right, close your eyes.
Okay.
All right. Can you tell me what number, how many fingers I'm holding up? Is it 3? Is it 4? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 5? He doesn't know.
Can you count?
I thought that'd be kind of cool.
Oh, man.
That way you have your eyes closed, so there's no way to. Are you still here with us, Lewis?
Oh, you scared him away. You can't count.
Man, I'm telling you, something had a hold of my neck. That was super cool. No joke, could not remember his name. And then we got to the L and it crosses the L. I was like, oh my gosh.
Was his name Lewis?
I'm pretty sure there was a Lewis somewhere.
I thought his name was like
I thought it was Arnie or something like that.
yeah.
But there was totally a Lewis somewhere. Maybe he was something else. I don't know.
We'll have to find out if there's a Lewis.
I think there was a Lewis in that paperwork that I was reading earlier. Man, the dowsing rods are wild.
I know.
It's about the only activity that we get, and I don't understand that.
I know. I wish we'd get some Grimm pot. We used to get
Mm-hmm. Used to
Grimm
have it all
pot
the time.
action all the time.